best body kit for a Lamborghini Urus, made by Urban Automotive. You know Urban Automotive, right? They are known for about 10 years already because they produce their own carbon fiber parts in the UK. Everything is made with attention to detail and the highest quality possible. And then this is the result. Okay, so let's walk through the kit of this Lamborghini Urus. And to start off, I'm going to start off low in the rear. This big ass diffuser. Completely carbon fiber, of course, but much bigger fins and a much bulkier look than original. And then, this is the good part. I think this is one of the best parts of this kit. That's the upper rear spoiler. Also, again, completely carbon fiber, but a lot higher than the original one. And if you look it from the side, usually the lines of the rear face downwards. And now you've got this sportiness look, looks way better than it does without the spoiler. About sportiness. Carbon fiber arch extensions. This is called the Y-Track kit. Also known for the Y-Tracks from Defender, now also for the Urus. Completely carbon fiber. And some people choose to go for partly painted and partly visual carbon fiber, because there's a neat line over here which you can use to separate the carbon fiber from the painted part. So that's how you like the kit or not. I prefer the carbon fiber look, I think, because it is something special and now it pops out better than when it's painted. I really love it. Then onto the side, we've got the side skirt with the Urban badging, of course. He chose to go for the red badging just to have a nice little touch to it. And then we have the front fender, again in visual carbon fiber. And when we come to the front of the car, you can see a lot more carbon fiber details, as well as for these forks. And you can imagine why they call these forks. The eyebrows also in carbon fiber, as well as this magnificent front lip. And this is also a big carbon fiber piece, which adds a lot to the front of the car. I love it. And as you might have noticed, these are not Urban Automotive wheels, but they are from Novitec. So this customer, MAR Automotive, he chose to go for this type of wheel and also for the Novitec exhaust. Urban Automotive has designed the kit along with some special wheels, 24-inch NDS 3 wheels. So if you really want to have the full Urban Automotive package, that's the wheel to go for. And in this case, MAR Automotive has chose for this Novitec wheel, which also looks pretty good. In this case, we were talking about the 2022 model, but there's also a new kit available for the Urus S and the Urus Performante. And if you'd like to know more about these products, contact us at GP Products.